Okay, right. Experimental kitchen foam mixing disaster. So, I stuck a stringer in. The old one was all cut down. So I sanded down a bit of beading and I glued it in with CASCAMITE. And that's level now. Thinks. Yep, level. I know that's level because I've measured that. Spirit good. Bubble top. Nice. So I'm going to the foam with this. I've never seen anyone do this before, but I reckon I can sort this deck out because it is totally fucked. But we'll see how it goes. So what I've got to do is mix the same amount of each and I should get foam. So bear with me. Here is my special foam. In for a penny, in for a pound. I've got to mix this slowly so I don't get right. There we go. There. Dropped a bit already. That's not so good, is it? Okay, right. Oh, it's quite difficult to mix. I'm supposed to get the streaky shit coming out of it. I only get about a minute to mix this up and it's going to start going. And I'm going to chuck the stick and really go for it because it looks like it gets big quick. Oh, it comes. Well, that was a lot more shit than I thought. Right. I think this needs more. Well, it's got potential, but I'm not impressed at the moment. I think it's too hot in here actually. It's well too hot. It's fucking hot actually. Yeah, maybe it's too warm. Never mind. I've got more, so we just mix some more up. Simple as that. Got to be better than what it was. It's because it was shit before. But in there somewhere is a stringer. Just got to find it. So I'm going to sand this back eventually. We'll cut it back with a carving knife. And then have another go. Because the container's only a pound. See, that looks pretty good in there. It looks shit on my surfboard. Never mind, could be worse. Could burst into flames. Still, if you don't try, you just don't know, do you?